Hi friends, I am Parvinder Randhawa from IBSL India. You are watching Parvinder Randhawa Guru. This is reading video and this video is based on Cambridge 12 test 7. That is the passage 2. In this we have to do these questions, that is from 14 to 19. This is reading video and we have to solve these questions here. You are watching Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, comment, share, subscribe YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru, because this channel has unique tips, and here I am just like going to work on shortcut tips. Here I am going to work on shortcut tips. You can try by yourself this test also by these tricks. And in this video I am going to do just 14 to 19. Remember this thing, okay? And we have to find which paragraph contains the following information. So here what we have to do in 14, an acceptance that not all diseases can be totally eliminated. Can be, right? After can, underline the word. Examples of physical conditions. Underline the word conditions caused by, cause is there with human, right? Classifying diseases on the basis of how far they extend, reasons why level of access to health care can vary, change within a country. A description of health geography as a mixture, right? Different academic fields. A description of the type of area where a particular illness is rare, only one illness. So this is the point here. Cambridge 12 test 7 passage 2. So do one thing, start from A, right? Whatever words you underlined here, try to find those words only. Remember this thing. Try to find only those words, whatever you have seen, right? So where you find, you will get your answers. Check para 1. Eradicated is there because we have already underlined here. Fine. The eliminated word. Many diseases affect due to improvement in and the availability of health care. There are still areas, whatever may be, certain issues anymore. In a world that is far more globalized than ever, people with another through this and this, as a result this. Okay, so now this is para A in front of you, and these are the questions here. One word you got here, right? Now if you, just like in the exam also, if you get this kind of word, both have the same meaning. Remember this thing. He said that not all diseases, right? And what is here? Many. Not all equals to many also. Have been due to improvements, right? And acceptance. So where is the word acceptance here? Remember one thing, the test is prepared from this passage. It means same line is written. Remember, if you want to get the right answer. Okay. So I don't think so. Any other word which is related to travel of people, physical conditions, no. Classifying diseases, no. Level of access of healthcare, no. Type of area, Is there any? They said only come closer to each other. There is no illness described here. Now let's go to the second one. Vary role in the health concerns of certain populations depending on where you live. You will not have the same health concerns as someone who lives in different. So is there anyone? Where is the live here? Right, they started with this one. So remember one thing, in this nothing is related to this, nothing in this country is there within a country, right? So it may be in this, no, these are talking about this fields type of area, this also. So let's think, but they are talking about different countries, right? Perhaps one of the most obvious example idea is malaria. He talked about this one, foster a warm environment in which the mosquitoes that can give people this disease can grow. Malaria is much less of problem in. From here he started with only one illness, that is your malaria. And but the thing is that one illness is written here only. Try to understand the thing. But they are saying rare, fine, and it's written here about the environment where this disease can grow. So it means, remember one thing, next line, much less of problem in high altitude deserts, for instance. So they one illness, area, right, area. Description with you, less, rare, much less. In this way the answer are met. Remember this thing. So 19th best goes to this B. If we find another thing, then we'll think about it. Okay, this is the first point on which we worked. Remember one thing, check the main areas A and then models can, should, these kind of things. After that, examples, physical conditions, right, reference to classifying diseases, these kind of words try to check. Remember one thing. So let's go to C. One thing, wait here. You may use any letter more than once. Okay, and B is given. Remember one thing. Correct letter A to H. Answer should be written from A to H. 8 sections, AH. Everything. Now let's go to the second. So is there any? 1 minute. First thing we got here, factors, right? It is related to the conditions also. Now, caused by human behavior, health and well-being of population. Many wind is not strong enough to clear the air of massive amounts of smog and pollution that cause asthma, lung problems, eyesight issues, and more in people who live. Part of the problem of massive number of cars caused by human behavior, rapid industrialization, human behavior. But remember one thing, again I am saying to you, keywords, try to find the keywords. Conditions, factors. Conditions, factors. Right? Which word is close to which one? That's very much important in IELTS. Similar words, it's the trick of similar words only. Whether you are doing listening, reading, writing, or speaking. If you don't want to go out of topic, remember this thing. Factors, conditions. Everything is written. You can check by yourself. Right? Try to do practice. Cambridge 12 is common book. Right? Most of the people they have. So, and 1 minute. We can find another answer also from here. Cutting forest they have written. So we'll try again if we will find. It is a situation that these field 1 minute. Field, that the field. Check it in. Okay. field. Check. Then where polio are re-emerging, this and this, malaria prone, still fighting to, is a combination of, on the hand, 1 minute. Health geography is the combination of, on the one hand, knowledge regarding geography and methods used to analyze and interpret geographical information. On the other, the study of health issues, diseases and healthcare practices around. The aim of the hybrid science, break, hybrid, right, fields, mixture, 2 words who you got. This is written everywhere. What's the meaning of hybrid mixture? Is to create solutions for common geography based health problems. While people will always be prone to 1 minute, this is while the writer is going to another thing, to another point, up to here 1 point is over. Hybrid mixture, field. So why to waste time, right? Now let's go to next one. People will always be prone to illness. The study of how geography affects our health could lead to the eradication of certain. Eradication, right? First movement we noted here, same meaning, and the prevention of others in the future. Right? While people will always be prone to illness, people will always be prone to acceptance, all diseases can be. So this line, right, check this line. So why to waste? Acceptance is there, you can't. People are prone to disease or illness. Now next, this is a point. Now let's go to the next one. This may be on the next page. Now how many are left? 2 left only, 16, 17. How far we underlined? Right? Classifying word is there, which is the main word here. So this is the point. Frequency, how far they extend, certain appear in different parts of the world. But this you got to some extent, because at exam you will find these kind of things, but I have to find one thing which I underlined here, that is classifying. So here he said that to see if there could be a correlation between the two factors also. Factors means we hear example of physical conditions here, but they are talking about the study factors, right? Check every word properly, but with the speed here. Next, then he said that population in this field, but I haven't got any word which is related up to here. This one, that is my classifying. So how can I give the answer? I got half point, right, but not the complete line. Go to the next one. But I have left 2 here. Levels also have to find this one also. So it means 2 pending, right? Their interactions between humans and their environment that could lead to illness, and work to create such as asthma, whatever may be, clear way of categorizing, classifying. Same word. One word I got, how far they extend, right, into local and global scales. Then can map the spread of illnesses and attempt to identify the reasons behind an increase or decrease in illnesses, further spread or even in the fine populations. So this is the point here. How far? Because he said work to create a clear view of, right, classifying diseases, epidemics, local and map the spread of. Map means calculation here. So that's the point here. So it means if you find these kind of words, try to find the answer there. You will find it. Main words, try to check the main words here. Go with cutting method then. So one left level. So this is first. He said the second. Healthcare, this provision of availability, resources around the world, developed is often very large, whatever may be different social sciences, right? And the levels of education, individual working in the area of the geography of healthcare provision, attempts to assess the levels of healthcare in the area. So levels, it's a very clear, no need to, same line is there. You can check within a country, but we have to check within a country here. So where is written? Between the available to people in different social classes, income brackets, right? Very difficult to match because there is a between the village and the research frontline requiring policy of international, this one. Fine. So the both developed and developing countries. So these are the things, levels of healthcare in the area. So this point here. So because it's a straight match. So these are the answers we did here. Try to go with straight hit, right? Main, underline the main words, then try to. This is Cambridge 12, test 7, passage 2. That's all in this. Go with shortcut tips here. Word, underline main words, hit. Main words, hit. So what is the main word here? Not all. Then eliminate it. Physical conditions, human. Classifying, how far. Level of access. Mixture of fields. Type of area. A. Where. Where means place. Okay, so these are the things on which we have to work. So that's all in English language. Right, you are watching Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Like, comment, share, above all subscribe YouTube चैनल परविंदर रंधावा गुरु. आज मैंने जो वर्क किया है कैम्ब्रिज 12 टेस्ट 7 को सिलेक्ट किया था, इसके पैसेज 2 है. मेन पॉइंट जो यहाँ मैंने वर्क किया है वो ये है, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस थे 14 to 19 और कौन सा पैरा कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहता है उसके ऊपर मैंने वर्कआउट किया. मैंने मेन वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करा. नॉट ऑल, ये मेरे माइंड में सेट है. एलिमिनेटेड, क्योंकि ये मेन वर्ड है. मॉडल के बाद कोई वर्ड आ जाए. ए एंड द, इनको मैं इंपॉर्टेंट मानता हूँ. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फिजिकल कंडीशंस कॉज्ड बाय ह्यूमन. फिजिकल कंडीशंस वर्ड आ गया. क्लासीफाइंग डिजीजेस, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है कि आप क्लासीफाई कर रहे हो कौन सी डिजीज किस टाइप की है. लेवल ऑफ एक्सेस टू हेल्थ केयर विद इन अ कंट्री, लेवल को कैच कर लो. मिक्सचर, मतलब कि पॉइंट ये है कि आप डायरेक्ट वर्ड को कैच करो, उसको सर्च करो फाइंड आउट करने की. मिक्सचर को चेक करो. टाइप ऑफ एरिया, एक इलनेस चाहिए आपको. मिक्सचर, एक्सेस, क्लासीफाइंग. अब जैसे हमने ये नहीं है कि हमने इनको पढ़ना है, हमने क्या करना है, उल्टा चलना है. ए पैरा में हमें इरेडिकेटेड मिल गया. हमें इरेडिकेटेड इसने कहा मैनी डिजीजेस, लेकिन यहाँ कहीं भी नहीं लिखा कि सारी डिजीजेस, कुछ ना कुछ तो बीमारियाँ ह्यूमन को लगनी है. इनका कहने का मतलब ये है 14 में. एलिमिनेटेड वर्ड तो मुझे मिल गया इरेडिकेटेड के कारण, लेकिन एक वर्ड मिलने से मैं मैच नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि कुछ भी बनता है वो इसी में से बना है. आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन बनता है वो किस में से आया, वो आपके इसी में आया है. दैट इज टेकन फ्रॉम द पैसेज इटसेल्फ. पैसेज से लिया गया. ओके, सो ये पॉइंट आ जाता है आपका। उसके बाद जैसे मैं बी पे गया, बी में मुझे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मुझे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, मुझे तो जो भी सॉल्व करेगा, मुझे मलेरिया मिल गया लास्ट में, वैसे तो मिडल से स्टार्ट हो गया था। अब उसने कहा कि हाई अल्टीट्यूड डेजर्ट्स हैं, जैसे आपका लद्दाख एरिया है हाई अल्टीट्यूड, राइट, तो वहाँ पे आपको मस्कीटोज नहीं मिलेंगे, तो आप इजी रहेंगे। फाइन, अब रेयर इलनेस वाली बात कर ली, रेयर मच लेस हो गया, राइट, एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रही है। टाइप ऑफ एरिया क्या हो गया मेरा, हाई अल्टीट्यूड, तो एकदम मेरा आंसर टिक कर देगा। आप इसको सॉल्व करिए, आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी आप कमेंट करिए, आई ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट। मेरा जो पॉइंट ये है कि डायरेक्ट हमने कैसे हिट करना है, क्योंकि हमने कुछ वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन कर रखे हैं, अगर हमें मिलेंगे नहीं तो हम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर सकते, हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। आगे मैं सी में चले जाता हूँ। सी में इसने फैक्टर्स को मैंने कंडीशंस के साथ मैच किया, और फिजिकल कैसे किया, ज्योग्राफिकल के साथ, और ह्यूमन कोज लिख रखी है कि कार्स हैं, ये है, वो सारा कुछ इस पैरे में लिखा हुआ है, आप पढ़ सकते हो। कैम्ब्रिज 12 हर किसी के पास बुक मिल जाएगी, कॉमन बुक है, टेस्ट 7 पैसेज 2। जब ये दोनों वर्क हो गए तो ये मेरा जो सेकंड सब फिजिकल कंडीशंस कॉज्ड बाय ह्यूमन मेरा आंसर बन गया। लेकिन उससे बाद आप ये बात नोट रखना इसमें कि ये यू में यूज़ एनी लेटर मोर देन वंस, कि आप ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकते हो मोर देन वंस, ये याद रखना आपने। अब कोई भी वर्क करते हो पहले एनबी जरूर पढ़े कि क्या गिवन है, क्या मुझे सॉल्व करना है। जब हम डी में गए, डी में जैसे हमें आंसर मिला, क्योंकि कटिंग मेथड करेंगे जल्दी सॉल्यूशंस हो जाएंगे, अगर कटिंग नहीं करेंगे तो इजी नहीं रहेगा। एक तो हमने यहाँ पे डी में जो स्टार्टिंग करी तो इसने बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे डिजीज़ पोलियो वगैरह, तो इसने कहा कि हेल्थ को आपने किसके साथ, एम ऑफ दिस हाइब्रिड, हाइब्रिड का मतलब मिक्सचर बन जाता है, तो मिक्सचर ये लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, राइट। देखो इंग्लिश की नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और एम ऑफ दिस हाइब्रिड साइज, और किसके साथ है ये, काफ़ी ज्योग्राफी के साथ हेल्थ को कंपेयर किया हुआ है। तो इसने फील्ड्स कहा था जो हमें यहाँ फर्स्ट में ही मिल गया था फील्ड, तो हमें हिंट मिल गया था कि शायद हमारा आंसर यहाँ होएगा, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ते गए तो हमें ये मिल गया वर्ड आपका, राइट। जैसे इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नॉलेज रिगार्डिंग दिस एंड दिस, और उसके बाद वो आगे वर्कआउट करते हैं, तो एकदम आपके आगे आंसर आएगा जब आप ट्राई करोगे। मेन पॉइंट्स को समझना है सिर्फ कि टिप्स कैसे चल। अब इसमें हमारे को वाइल से उसने बात को काटा, इसका मतलब वो स्टेटमेंट को चेंज कर रहा है। जब मैंने देखा कि वो स्टेटमेंट को चेंज कर रहा है तो क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है, यहाँ पे मुझे जाके ये इरेडिकेशन वर्ड मिल गया जो मेरे का एलिमिनेटेड वर्ड से मैच हो गया। लेकिन अब बात वही आ गई ना कि एक्सेप्टेंस की सारी डिजीजेस खत्म नहीं कर सकते, पीपल विल ऑलवेज बी प्रोन टू इलनेस, कि लोगों को कोई ना कोई बीमारी तो रहेगी रहेगी। तो ये आपका इसमें एक्सेप्टेंस डेट नॉट ऑल डिजीजेस कैन बी टोटली एलिमिनेटेड, ये आपका मैच हो जाता है। पीपल वर्ड टू वर्ड मैच करो, पक्का आंसर ठीक होएंगे। अगर गलत भी होएगा अपने आप आगे जाके ठीक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वर्ड्स जो आपके मैच होंगे। इसके बाद आ जाते हैं हम नेक्स्ट पैरे में। इस पैरे में हमें कोई भी वर्कआउट नहीं मिला, हमारा कोई इजी जॉब नहीं मिला हमारे पास, तो हमने इसे, हाँ एक चीज़ है यहाँ जो डिस्कस की थी मैंने, हाउ ये वाला 60th रैंक, क्योंकि जब ये भी मेरा वर्कआउट हो गया, ये भी हो गया था वर्कआउट, आई थिंक ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया था, 4 हो गए थे वर्कआउट। तो ये देखिए आप, इसमें क्लासीफाइंग था, इसमें मुझे ये लाइन तो मिल चुकी थी, हाउ फार, राइट। तो क्योंकि डेटा भी मिल गया ना फ्रीक्वेंसी के कारण, दे एक्सटेंड, हाउ फार दे एक्सटेंड। तो लेकिन मुझे जो वर्कआउट नहीं मिला, डैट इज़ क्लासीफाइंग डिजीज़ नहीं मिला। ये क्लासीफाइंग डिजीज जो है, जो मुझे जाके मिला, आगे मिला, और किस फॉर्म में मिला, डैट इज कैटेगराइजिंग में, राइट। इन दोनों का मीनिंग सेम होता है, डिफ एक्सटेंड, और वो आगे लिख ही रखा है, स्प्रेड ऑफ मैप द स्प्रेड ऑफ इलनेसेस। मैप का मतलब कैलकुलेशन होता है। तो एक एक वर्ड मेरा मैच हो गया, डेट्स वाई एफ इसका आंसर बन गया। और 17 सबसे सिंपल था, हो सकता है आप एग्जाम में सबसे पहले यही सॉल्व कर ले, राइट। तो क्योंकि लेवल्स उसने कहा है, लेवल्स ऑफ हेल्थ केयर, लेवल्स ऑफ हेल्थ केयर, बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट लाइन मैच हो रही है, एरिया कंट्री उन्हें क्लियर किया हुआ। तो 17 का आंसर इसलिए जी हो चुका है, राइट। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वी डिड हियर। यू आर वाचिंग Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Again I am saying subscribe this channel. This channel has always a unique tips with a unique identity. Like, comment and share YouTube channel, but above all subscribe this channel. And this is test Cambridge 12 test 7 reading passage 2. That's all in this video. Thanks for your time.